Guys, this is Upain. I'm welcoming you in the biggest Meta VPAD IDEO show of 2021. Friends, I promise you, if you follow every steps I'm going to tell you in this video, you will definitely get your part of Meta VPAD in this pre-sale. So I request you, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon because these all videos are going to be very time bound and you don't need to be miss out any videos of mine. Friends, as you can see the latest tweet of MetaVPad, they are telling us with less than 5 days left until MetaVPad blast off, make sure you are ready and secure yourself a tire to take part in this monster. So as you know that all these IDO launch want us so to do so many things and they are going to make so many announcement in upcoming 5 days and you don't need to miss out any videos of any announcement so which can hamper your chance of making in MetaVPad pre-sale. So friends, as you can see that they have crossed 150,000 of followers. You can see the hype of MetaVPad, and this hype is just because this project is on Velashan and it is incubated by Bluezilla. And as we have seen in the past, all the projects which are incubated by Bluezilla and on Velaspad has given us more than 500x. That's why everyone wants to take part in this pre-sale, which make this pre-sale very competitive and which can decrease your chance to getting in this. So we have to prepare ourselves as much as possible so we cannot miss any step of getting this pre-sale. I'm going to make sure that you get your token in the pre-sales. That's why I promise you I'm going to focus completely on MetaVPad. My channel is going to completely focus on MetaVPad videos and announcements, and I'm going to make videos only on MetaVPad in for upcoming 5 days. As you all know, I have also filled for this pre-sale, so I'm going to show my accounts and how much I get in these videos. So let's start with my easy steps which you need to be following. So the first step is, friends, just subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Yes friends, this is very important because all these videos are going to be very time bound and I don't want you to miss any step and any announcement which can hamper your chance of getting in this pre-sale. So subscribing and my channel is going to be very important because there are so many steps in these token. They are releasing on 8 different launch pads, so we need to do KYC of all these launch pad or as much as we can possibly do, and we need to create our account and so many our account and also create so many wallets of different blockchains. So what you need to do is follow my leads. I'm going to show you everything. So in today's video, I'm going to show their whitelisting page and what they require you now. So in second step, you need to do is follow the MetaVPad Telegram group and Twitter account. As you can see, they have more than 150,000 followers. You also need to follow them that you don't miss out any announcement, or you can follow my Twitter account. I also share important tweets of every ideas on my Twitter account, and you can also follow my Telegram group on which I share every link so you don't miss out the important link. I because I only share important links there. So you can see I have also tweeted and retweeted their important links here. So after following all their social media accounts, what we need to do, as you can see that I have retweeted their link. There is a link of whitelisting. You need to open this link. For that link, you can go in my Twitter profile and you get there this link. Let me show you again this Twitter profile, and I have retweeted a link of ETHPad. You can click here and you get easily on this link. So in this step 3, as you can see, they have shared how can you get whitelisted in this, and you just need to fill this form. And this form, they require your email address, your BSC pad address, your ADA pad address, your NFT launch address, game zone address, Velas pad address, Stone pad address, KCC pad address, and ETH pad address. So 8 different addresses you need. So you need to create your account on all these or as much as launchpad as possible, because the more launchpad, the more chance of you getting in this IDO. So before telling you how to make account on all these launchpads, let me show you what they are showing in their whitelisting form. Introducing Meta VPAD, where the only limit is your imagination. Meta VPAD is the ultimate incubation platform for projects bridging the gap between the physical and digital world, the metaverse. So they are also going to incubate different projects when they are going to start their metaverse. So they have told us about the metaverse, and they have said us that their initial market cap is going to be 170K. As we all know, the initial market cap of PulsePad, BitOrbit, all they had was 170K, and they all have gone more than 500x. So that's why this project is very likely of going more than 500x. And this is also Bluezilla incubated. And as you can see the hype of them, because they have crossed 150,000 followers on Twitter. So friends, let's start with our fourth step. In the fourth step, I'm going to teach you how can you make your or create your account on BSC pad. And in the upcoming days, I'm going to create videos on all these launch pads. How can you create your account, and how can you complete your KYC? What's the minimum requirement so you can get guaranteed allocation? And in upcoming days, I'm going to compare all these launch pad, which launch pad is going to be best for you to create your account. So the chances of getting MetaV pad is increase in it. So let's start with the BSC pad, because we also need to complete KYC in some platforms. So we also going to learn about KYC process of all these accounts. In BSC pad KYC process, they are telling us you need to holding minimum 1000 BSC pad token to start the KYC process. If your wallet has more than 1000 BSC pad tokens, then only you can do your KYC process. How to complete your KYC process? Simple 2 minutes 4-step process. Before you start, you will save time to get the document you need ready for. You need there either a government issued ID, a passport, or driving license. So you need all these things. So friends, as you can see, you need government issues ID. Like in India, you have Aadhaar card, a passport, or driving license. I'm telling you, if you have passport, this is going to increase your chance, because as you have seen the in the monkey ball token launch, the KYC was very difficult. They have not taken national card. That's why I'm telling you, if you don't have passport, please request passport. I have also made a video on how to create your passport in 1 week, so you can go and watch this video. Please, your document you have on hand, because okay, your document should be on your hand, because in KYC they are going to take your selfie with your documents. We recommend that you use document with clear English translation on it. If you are from a if you are from non-native English speaking country, so your document should be in English, you know. And finally, get a piece of paper and write down BSC pad, the current date, the last four character of your wallet address, and that's it. So what do you write down? BSC pad, what is the date, and last four character of your wallet address. That's it. This is what you need. Take the photo of your ID document with your phone or camera, then also take a photo of yourself holding this ID document and the paper wrote on this. So all these things you need: your ID document, your photo, like selfie clicking with the documents, and the paper in which you have written all these things. Make sure that you write only last digits. So have those two photos ready to complete the KYC in 30 seconds. So After then, you click on the link and they have want these documents. You need to upload this, and your KYC will be done in 30 seconds. So that was very simple process, friends. The most important process was you need to hold 1000 BSC pad. So you cannot do your KYC now, and you should not do this KYC now. I'll tell you why. Let me show you the complete BSC video on BSC pad. Let me take you to the website. So now we are on the BSC Pad website. As you can say, BSC Pad is the first decentralized IDO platform for the Binance Smart Chain. So this is for Binance Smart Chain. That's why they want you to create account on 8 different launchpad, because every launchpad is on different blockchains. And you can purchase the BSC Pad from PancakeSwap easily, and view all projects. They have given you view all projects. In this project you can see your MetaVPad whitelisting is coming, but before that, I want to show you some different things. So they have said that why you choose us. BSC Pad has found a solution to incentivize and reward all tokens taken in a way that is inclusive and with a low barrier to entry. So their entry barrier is very low, and they are going to incentivize all the stakers. You can read completely here what they mean about the incentive. And the most important part is the BSC pad tire system. They are in the round one. They have 6 categories: bronze, silver, gold, and platinum, diamond, and blue diamond. So let's start with the upper 3 category. In the starting 3 category, you don't get guaranteed allocation. You get lottery ticket if your lottery is going to give you. If you win the lottery, you are getting the tokens. So for to get one lottery ticket, you need at least 1000 stake BSC pad token stake. That's what they have told us in the KYC. For KYC, you also need to stake at least or hold at least 1000 BSC pad tokens in your wallet. And they are saying, friend, you just need to stake your token before 3 hours. So before the allocation route begins, you just need to stake before 3 hours. That's why I told you that you don't need to buy the tokens now, and you don't need to do KYC now. You just wait for the IDO. On the last day, you can stake your token. You can purchase the token and stake here, which can mitigate the risk, because staking these tokens are risky, because the price of these tokens are very volatile. So stake just before 3 hours and do KYC then. So for if you have minimum 1000 tokens, and I want to tell you that the price of BSC Pad token is $2 now. So you need to stake minimum $2000 of BSC Pad token to get a lottery ticket. So the minimum requirement is $2000. In Indian rupees, I think it's approximately 1,50,000 rupees. For silver, you need to stake 2500, and for the gold, you need to stake 5000 or $5,000. So you get 3 lottery ticket and 7 lottery ticket, and as much as lottery ticket you have, the chances of you getting lottery and winning lottery is increase. Now, for second category, in which you get guaranteed allocation, as you can see, guaranteed allocation, yes, 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 and so minimum requirement is $10,000 BSC pad, which means $20,000 of BSC pad. So the pool weight is going to be very minimum here, only 10. But if you stake 25,000 BSC pad, your pool weight is going to be 30. And if you stake more than $75,000 BSC pad, your pool weight is going to be 60 plus. So the most likely chance and the most BSC or Meta VPAD token you will get by Blue Diamond category, but they require like 75,000, which means 150,000, 1,50,000 of money or blue BSC PAD token staked here. And if you have money, friends, so this is the easiest way you can get your MetaVPAD token. And in the next round, friends, if some token left, they gonna make second round in which they call FCFS round, first come first serve round. So if a person have KYC or he has got token in the guaranteed round, they will given chance of purchasing those token in this round. This is going to be first serve, first come first serve. So, and the person who can participate only is the person who has got token in guaranteed round. So as you can see, you need minimum $1,000 or $2,000 of BSC pad. So that's it for BSC pad, friend. What you need a wallet. You need to connect your wallet in the BSC pad. The wallet should be on BSC network. You connect your wallet on BSC pad. You purchase BSC token using PancakeSwap, and you need to stake here. By clicking here, you need to stake your BSC pad, and after staking, you can go for KYC, and as according to your staking and according to your category, you will get lottery round or guaranteed round, and your weight is defined by your staking. So that's it for BSC pad, friends. I want to show you where our project. So click on project. There is not no any project going on. As you can see, projects open now. There's no projects that's open now. But as you go down, you see the upcoming project is MetaVPad, and you can get access in private sale. You just need $2,000. So I'm telling you, friends, if you have money, you can go with BSC pad. This is the smoothest, and most likely you completely get your token here. They don't need so much things to do. But if you don't have that much amount of money, there are ample amount of opportunity. There are more pads available, Tron pad, KCC pad. We are going to know the rule and the requirement of all these pad in the upcoming days. I'm going to make daily video on MetaVPad on my channel. You need to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, because I'm going to compare all these pad in a video, and I'm going to tell you which pad is best according to your requirement. So for now, friends, that's it, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care.